Hi everyone, my name is Kelvis, and this is the first devlog for the game Indigno, a game that I'm building for a game jam. It's a first-person stealth game. I'm gonna tell more about the mechanics in the next devlogs. In this one, I'm gonna show how to build the base level using grid map. In this project, I already have a main scene and a player, and the scripts and inputs are set. I also have imported the base mesh for the main level. It includes streets and walls. In the future, I will also add the buildings. One thing that is important is that the mesh root node must be of the type mesh instance 3D, so you can create a mesh library to use with the grid map. If you let the node 3D has a root, it will not work. Now, let's create a mesh library. For that, we create an empty 3D scene and add all the meshes to it. But instead of saving that scene, we go to Scene, Export as Mesh Library. Remember to check that option to maintain the transformation of the mesh. And if you are updating an existing mesh library, check this other one to merge it. Now, let's save it. And let's go to the main scene. In the main scene, I'm gonna add a grid map and configure it to use our previous created mesh library here. Note that every construction block is here, and we can place it on the grid. Before that, I usually change the size of the cells to match the size of the blocks. In my case, it's 12 meters instead of 2. Now, let's add our first block. I will choose the one-way block. To rotate it, just tap S on the keyboard and click to place it. You can go to the top view, click in here. To lock this view, go here and check this option, lock view rotation. This is a lot easier to build the map using these configurations. Now, let's add some more blocks here. Let me add a wall here. First of all, I will add some wall terminal in one side and on the other side. Now, let's add some wall lines here. Okay. And a wall corner here. Rotate and add. Perfect. And some more wall lines. Let's check out how it is working. First of all, I will unlock the view and use the middle mouse button to rotate. It's looking good. Let me play the game to see if everything is working about collision. Everything is looking great. And that's it. In the next devlog, I will show the final result of the main stage and start working on the mechanics. If you want to learn more about game dev, check out my other videos. I will post content in Portuguese and English. Thanks everyone, see you in the next video.